Falcon. If a hen flies, it may fly to the top of the fence. If a falcon takes off, it will get high into the sky. A falcon has been honored in different cultures since olden times. The hunting falcon was valuable and therefore was thoroughly protected, intricately decorated and well fed. The falcon is awesome. Its wonderful black eyes symbolize alertness. Falcon's tattoo indicates pride and dignity. Falcon flight means power and desire for freedom. Prabolgars used to have a mythical Alipla, great mighty falcon, a heathen god with an appearance of a falcon or a white steed, which obtained the soul of a human being after his death and carried it far to the sky to the Tengri's judgment.